How to buy Bitcoin PEPE token. So this token came under the symbol of BPEP. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert to be found investing in any project that you find on my channel. Please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code, simplest codes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So this token, as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is now for pre-sale, so it's not live. So to be able to buy this token, go and open their official website. So after you click on their official website, you will be able to redirect you to this pre-sale page. So what you need to do is just connect your wallet. Select one of these networks. So if you select the Sol, you need to connect your wallet. For that, I will use the Phantom wallet. So after you select your wallet, you will just log into my wallet first. Now after that, click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to pre-sale page, what you need to do, select the payment, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, but make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. So type here how much you want to buy. So as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. After that, click. If you select the wrong network, you can click it and you can switch the network. So I will switch the network to Bitget wallet. So after that, connect your wallet. As you can see, because I don't have any fund on my wallet, I can't be able to see here buy. So for you, click on buy and pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to be able to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy BIP or Bitcoin BIP PEPE token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.